Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the PlusAcc or PlusAcc Headphone Hanger. So, kind of a handy little device here. These come in black, white, and pink. So, if you have a headphone, you know that there's not really a lot of good places to have them. So I have this one here, it's just kind of on a little hook. But if you don't have that, look at that. My son has some Beats and he just lays them on the desk or wherever, and just not really convenient for them to go like that. This is pretty cool. It has a rubber pad here on the top so it's not going to slip around, and it's nice and curved also so it's not going to mess up your headphones or anything. Comes with a 3M pad on the back so you know it's going to be good, double coated tissue tape. So what we're going to do is just mount this. My son's got his little computer room there. I'm going to put it on the side, and we're supposed to let it sit for 24 hours. So you want to make sure your surface is nice and clean. If you want to do it real good, you can put a level on top of this thing when you do that, so it's going to be looking squared away. I'm going to go put this by his computer desk there, and that way he can hang his Beats out of the way, and they won't be just laying on the desk where they can get knocked off or whatever. So this holds it nice and securely. So has a little lip here as well, so it's not going to slip off of there. And that rubber pad there also keeps it from like slipping around as well. So let's just go install this and we'll see how well it works. Alrighty friends, so decided to go ahead and we're going to hang this like right about here. Just make sure that when it's hanging, has enough room. That's going to hold that. So that looks pretty good right about there. I'll make sure to put my level on there. The wall is cleaned off there pretty good, I think. Take off this 3M tape backing. And what I want to do is just put my level on there first. Kind of get the level. Alright, so right about there is level. And then I'm going to line this up kind of with my in the middle here if I can. That's going to go right up under there and smush up on the wall. So this is supposed to sit for 24 hours before you put anything on it. But I'm just going to do a quick demonstration real quick that this is going to hold these headphones. These are nice, pretty nice on these Beats. Ones are pretty good. But check that out. So you put a bunch of these if you collect headphones or gaming paddles and things like that. Just go right up there. Very convenient, like I said. It's not going to fall off of there. Keeps this nice and stable, easy to grab, store out of the way. Keeps them from getting damaged if they've fallen off the desk or wherever someone's putting them. So very nice little shelf here, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this review. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.